Today's lesson is on reflection in the coordinate plane. We are going to be plotting points and drawing images and then reflecting those images over certain lines on a graph. And then our goal is to write the coordinates of our new reflected points. So to start out, we have the points A, B, and C. We're going to plot those points and connect the dots. So A is at -6, 2, and let's label it A. B is at -4, up 9, and label that B. And then C is at -2, 3, label it, connect to make a triangle. I hope yours looks a little bit better than mine. Alright, we're going to reflect that image over the line x equals 2. Do you remember how to graph the lines of x equals 2? Well, you should hopefully remember that that's going to be a vertical line because we want to find 2 on the x-axis, and then you draw a line that cuts through the x-axis at 2. So, our image is going to reflect over the line x equals 2. And to do this, you simply just have to count from each point how many units away it is from that reflection line, and then you're going to count that same amount on the other side. So let's start with C. If you count, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 units away of that reflection line. So you're going to count 4 units away on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to label it, it's the image of C, which is C prime. And now let's look at B. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units away. So we're going to count 6 units away on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's the image of B, which is B prime. And then last one, A is 6, 7, 8 units away. So we're going to count 8 units away on the other side, which will put us at 10. And that is the image of A prime. And now we just have to connect those dots. And there we have the reflection of the original triangle A, B, and C. But we want to actually write the points, the coordinates of our new points. A, the new point, is at over 10 up 2. B prime is over 8 up 9. And then C prime is over 6 up 3. And that's it. Let's do 2 more quick examples. Here we have 3 points, D, E, and F. Let's plot D is at -5 up 4. E is over 1 up 6. And F is at 0, 2. Let's connect. Makes another triangle. Now this time we want to reflect over the line y equals -2. On that last one we had x equals 2, and it was the vertical line at 2. This time we have y equals -2. So you want to find -2 on the y-axis, and you want to draw the line that cuts through the y-axis, so this time it's a horizontal line. And now we want to reflect those points, so you just have to count on each point how many units it is away from the reflection line. So F is 1, 2, 3, 4 units away, so you just have to count 1, 2, 3, 4 units away, and the image of F is labeled F prime. Same thing for each one. E is 8 units away, so let's count 8 units away. That would put us at 10, -10, and that's E prime. And then D is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units away, so let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units away, and that's D prime. And then connect. That is the reflection of our triangle. And then let's label our new points. D is at the point -5, -8. E prime is at 1, -10. And then F prime is at 0, negative 6. All right, let's do one more example together, and then you can do the rest of the worksheet on your own. All right, here's the last example. Let's plot these 4 points, w, x, y, and z. W is at negative 4, 2. X is at 0, 5. Y is at 3, 3. And then Z is at 1, negative 4. So let's connect. All right, and we want to reflect over the y-axis. So we're just counting points away from the y-axis. And as you can see, the y-axis kind of cuts this shape in half, so it's going to be kind of reflecting in a weird way. But let's just look at z. Z is 1 unit away from the y-axis, so its reflection is going to be on the other side. So here we have z prime. And then y is 3 units away, so it'll be 3 units away on the other side. So that's y prime. And then w is 4 units away, so it'll be 4 units away on the other side. And now x is already on the y-axis. So you can't really reflect that, but it's going to use the same point. So its reflection over the y-axis is just, it's almost as if you like literally picked it up and flipped it. So now let's write the points. W prime is at the point 4, 2. X prime is the same point at 0, 5. Y prime is at the point negative 3, 3. And Z prime is at the point negative 1, negative 4. So there you go. Good luck with the lesson. And have fun!